Hey everyone, if you're brand new to meme coins and you don't know what makes a meme coin start to go trending, like this one that ended up shooting up to its highest at 60 million market cap and is currently sitting at 8.8 million, then I'm going to show you what to look out for so you don't miss out on these opportunities in the future. If you're brand new to crypto and don't know how you can even purchase crypto, then I'm going to show you the easiest way to do so in 2025. Click the link in the description below and download Revolut if you haven't already. Now, if you didn't know, Revolut has a crypto section. Revolut is just an online bank. Most of the time that I've used Revolut, it's when I'm going on holiday. If I want to change over my money to any type of different currency, it's completely easy to do. You can change the currency on the app instantly. Now, you can also change your currency to cryptocurrency instantly as well. They've recently done a new update, so any of the crypto balance that you have, you can actually use to pay for things. Now, beforehand, you would have had to exchange it back over to your local currency, which is quite easy to do, but now they've done a brand new update where you can literally pay for everything with crypto. It's simple to get. To add money to your Revolut account, all you got to do is on the app, click the add money button, and then you can send money to your Revolut account through Apple Pay, debit card, or a bank transfer. Once money's on your Revolut account, click on the crypto button on the bottom right, then click trade, and then click Solana. Now, you then want to click buy, and then you can buy however much Solana that you want. Then you're probably wondering, what's the best exchange that I've got to use in order to buy these meme coins? And if you're trading meme coins in 2025 and not using Axium Pro, you're missing out big time. Firstly, because it's the only platform that allows you to quickly see what tweet is associated with each meme coin. The more viral the tweet is and the more it covers a trending topic, then the more volume usually goes into that token. And because meme coins are so quick, when you're buying these meme coins, you have to be quicker than ever. Before Axiom was a thing, what you'd have to do is click on the Twitter icon, quickly go over and see what a Twitter account is like, which is only a couple of seconds, but really with meme coins, you want to be getting the earliest entries possible, and Axiom allows you to do that. Secondly, they have a built-in custom Twitter tracker, which is an absolute game changer. You can spot what's trending, what's about to go viral, and jump in early. You also have a wallet tracker, which allows you to track all these massive whale wallets, and you can see exactly when they've bought into a certain token. They've got so many methods to make sure that you don't get rug pulled, and it's got the fastest entries out of any exchange that's out there on the market. So sign up to Axiom Pro with the link in the description below, and then you're all good for trading meme coins. It's that simple to add Solana to your meme coin exchange balance. Now let's look at what makes a meme coin trending. So if you see my video the other day, I did say the minute a new pope gets announced, a massive meme coin will be launched for it and it will go to a stupid level. And now there were two massive meme coins that were launched, and on the 24-hour trending, these are the highest trending ones at the moment with the most volume. So as soon as the new pope was announced, one coin came out, which I've managed to get into, and it quickly launched to around 1.5 million market cap, dropped all the way down, come back up again. So I managed to take some profits up here, then bought back in low and rode it up a tiny bit till around the 1 million market cap range, and then sold it. Usually with these type of tokens, I thought that it was going to go even higher. So I was a bit confused on what was going on, to be honest, completely last night. The meme coin space has been a bit different in the past couple months, but there were so many different pope tokens that were launched at the same time. And if you're tracking wallets on Axiom, then at the time you would have seen loads of people buying into all these pope tokens. So it was a bit confusing on which one was going to be the right trending one. But usually the way I look at it is the majority of the wallets that I'm tracking, if the majority are buying into a certain token that is matching the trend that I'm trying to buy into, then usually that is going to be potentially a winner. So as soon as that coin decided to tank, another coin was launched at around 8:30 yesterday, and it was called Pope 267. So I believe he is the 267th Pope, and this one went to its highest at 60 million market cap. Now, as soon as you understand why these coins become trending, then you'll be able to figure out and look out for ones like this in the future. Now, obviously, there's not going to be a brand new Pope token unless there's a brand new Pope in the next couple months. But why is this trending? That's what you need to be asking yourself. And it's because it is global news. What you need to be looking out for are trends that are going to go global and be talked about throughout the whole of the internet. And we're going to look at so many different examples. I'm going to show you how well these coins performed based on how trending the story or the meme was across the globe. The more eyeballs that are on a certain meme or certain topic, then the more volume that's going to go into that. And the more volume that goes into a certain token, then the higher that token will grow. And that's what the majority of people are looking out for on these meme coins. Obviously, there are different ones like this one as well, Bull, where people literally just are making coins based on stupid, silly memes. But if these memes are being shared around the internet even more, then more volume is going to go into that token. So obviously you had the Pope tokens that completely took off. And the reason why they took off is because people knew that they were going to be global news and everyone was apprehensively waiting for the new Pope to be announced. It was all over global news. It was all over every single news platform out there, all over Twitter and all over social media. So all these savvy meme coin investors were just waiting for a token to be launched that will correlate to the brand new Pope. And if there is some type of global news like that where you're waiting for something to be announced and already loads of people are talking about, then you can prepare yourself for when those tokens launch, especially if you know, all right, the Pope's going to be announced at 6 p.m. British time, which is what I was thinking last night. So with these type of global news events where you know something's about to happen, some news is going to come out, but you don't know what it is until a certain time, those are the most perfect ones, and those have always been my best winners. And then we got another one, Diddy token went completely viral. That shot up to 130 million market cap and then crashed all the way down. Especially with these type of tokens though, you want to be entering in early, especially if you're new. What you want to be doing is waiting for something like this to be announced. You can look on a Twitter tracker on Axium and your wallet tracker. You can join our free Discord in the description below, and there are a list of all of the wallets that I personally track. And then you can add that to your Axium wallet tracker quite easily. I've done separate videos on that on the channel, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. 50, 60 million market cap. Usually I don't want to enter because it can literally dump on you so quickly. I want to be finding the coins with the earliest entry. And the reason why this token went viral is because the Diddy trend is absolutely global. Everyone knows about what's going on, and the trial for him is currently going on at the moment. And this was actually reported that it was meant to be the actual Diddy meme. So if you watch my videos on this channel before, this was a blatant rug pull. I believe the person from what I've looked into and what other people are saying on the internet, the person that ran this token is the same person that did the Libra scam. If you're trying to invest into meme coins, what you want to be looking for is quick entries. So if you entered in at this range right here, as soon as it gets around 60 million market cap range, what you want to be doing is taking some profits, either selling 50% or selling 25% at a time, just to make sure you either break even, get your money back, and make some profits as it goes up. Because you could take some profits around here, it can keep on going up, and then you can take more profits as it's going up. Usually what a lot of people do, and myself included, you'll click to sell 25% of what you're holding at a time. This is where you can see it's a blatant rug pull, and you need to be careful with these type of tokens and just looking to get profit with it. Because if you see a massive red candle drop down like this, it's usually someone who is a massive holder who managed to snipe in early or buy the token before it was even launched properly to the public. They would own a larger majority of that crypto token. So as soon as they sell, then the price will drop because they own the largest majority. Another one that did really well is this BabyFi one. It started trending because people were cutting up clips of Joe Rogan and Theo Von talking on a podcast, and they were using AI to change them into babies. Now, when you watch the videos, you're like, oh my God, that is really funny because they're talking about the most outrageous stuff, but you look at them and they look exactly like the babies. It's a funny type of video, but because that was being shared around on the internet loads and a lot of people were reposting it on TikTok and all these shorts platforms, it quickly went viral. And this is what you need to be looking out for. Tokens that literally relate to memes that are being posted or global news events that are being posted over the internet. By developing a skill of identifying what's trending, you can make a lot of money from the meme coin space. There's no point wasting your time just trying to get these quick flips. I've done that and I do that quite a lot, but a lot of the time your win rate isn't really high and you can lose money doing that. But what I've found the most results on, and I've been trading meme coins for over a year now, the most results that I've found are ones that relate to some type of trending story. And yeah, the price might go up and down, but what you need to be looking out for is the earliest entry possible. If you bought in at 133,000 market cap down here, an hour later, that coin would have been a 10x on your money, on your investment. So definitely with these ones that you know are being posted around social media so many times, and if you find a token that relates to that and it's before it's hit $1 million market cap, you're in for a lot of luck. Solana is going back up at the moment, and the meme coin space is about to revive from what I've been looking at. For the past couple months, it hasn't been the best since around December, January time. But now it's on the comeback. Crypto is on the comeback. So we're going to be seeing a lot more meme coins that are going to go to this type of level, the 60 million market cap range. And this is insane amounts of money that you can make from this, especially if you get into these tokens. So hopefully this video helps in order to be able to get yourself set up onto Axium so you can understand how to actually start trading meme coins. And hopefully this gives you a good idea of what to actually look out for in the meme coin space. Yeah, I could do videos on the best filters and everything to use, but my personal advice with this is to not just be jumping into all these different tokens and hoping that they do well. Especially if you're a beginner, go for these ones that correlate to a global trend or something that is trending throughout the internet, because that is where the most volume comes in. I wish you guys the best of luck with this, and I'm going to be doing a new video next week doing 0.1 sol to however much I can get. So hopefully you enjoy that video. I might do well, I might fail, but we'll see how it goes. So make sure you subscribe to us for more trading content, like the video, and thank you guys for watching.